Now what I have going on in this video is huge. Really huge. Especially for a gaming monitor. Now, NVIDIA is working with some partners, Acer, HP, and ASUS, to make a 65-inch 4K 120Hz, what they're calling a big format display. This is going to use G-Sync technology. It's going to have HDR support, 1000 nit peak brightness, so extremely bright, and an integrated NVIDIA shield. So this is basically the best Android TV of all time. Now obviously these displays are going to be expensive, but the NVIDIA Shield being built in kind of pads the sting, especially if you're interested in getting something like this. Like the NVIDIA Shield TV by itself is $200. Now these monitors are going to probably cost a lot more than that. Pricing is unknown right now, but I can't imagine that the yield on these kinds of panels is very low, and therefore prices will be high. Now the most important thing to keep note of though is that you're paying for an experience here. With a resolution like 4K, you can really increase the size and not lose a whole lot of quality. So you're going to get a sharp experience on top of everything else that is built into the TV. Now, secondly, we're going to be looking at this kind of basic looking but actually really interesting piece of hardware. What it is supposed to do is create a seamless experience when you're running a multi-monitor setup. It effectively tries to eliminate bezels by using a PMAA thermoplastic material to refract light to the viewer, effectively hiding the bezels. But the thing about it is that it basically just repeats an image towards the end of the monitor over again, and it becomes very obvious when you focus on the corners. Now, ASUS is working on trying to fix this. This is a proof of concept, so obviously it's not going to be the most advanced current technology in the world. Releasing is unknown, pricing is unknown, compatibility with monitors is unknown. Aside from this specific kit is going to be compatible with the PG258Q. Now, they tried making height adjustable ones, but the difficulty in that is you can't make them too tall, because with shorter monitors or shorter height adjustments, they'll hit your desk. And then you can't roll them up or anything. So they're going to have to make separate kits for separate monitors if they want to push this kind of, I guess, non-electronic hardware innovation for monitors. Though they did design it to make it look really nice with the monitors. So thank you for looking at the ASUS suite with me at CES 2018. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Right? So you usually do like talking over? No, I don't. I've just